Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. From today we are starting a new series that is Location of the Day. Location of the Day. जो भी लोकेशन न्यूज़ में आया है वो सारा अपन डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक, which is most important for UPSC prelims since 2014, ठीक है। सिंस 2014 से लेके UPSC is asking frequent questions on location based, that is from Indian geography, ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, and not only Indian geography but throughout the world geography too. So we will not miss that content too, that concept too. So we will discuss daily location based questions also, okay. So this topic, today's topic is of actually 22nd of April, ओके। ये एक्चुअली कल की न्यूज़ है, आज की नहीं, और आज की मैं कल करूँगा, ठीक है, एंड कल से सब कुछ ऑन द टाइम हो जाएगा, ठीक। सो पार्डन मी फॉर दैट। सो लेट अस बिगिन विथ आवर concept, with our content today. So today we are going to discuss about the three things, that is Seychelles, Mauritius and Sri Lanka. And before starting this thing, I would request you all guys to take your atlas and highlighter with you, and if possible make some sort of notes in that only, okay. Don't make any specific notes, as you will make a separate notes for newspapers, but I won't recommend to prepare a separate notes for news sections, because you can get the PDF from this link too, okay. Now without getting late, we will discuss this topic. So today's our topic is Seychelles, Mauritius and Sri Lanka. So why this is in news recently? UPSC will ask such questions only, that is they will give some sort of options and why these were in the news recently. So they are like in 2019 they gave 3 reservoirs and which is national importance, and they asked the questions like the following which are in news recently. So what is the purpose of that? What are the specifications of these 3 locations? Okay, what is the common criteria between these 3, why they are in news? So in this way we should prepare for UPSC prelims, especially for prelims, okay. So about the Seychelles, Mauritius and Sri Lanka is our today's topics. So let us get into the concept, into the content. 2015 में प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी he visited to 3 island nations of Indian island nations, that is Seychelles, Mauritius and Sri Lanka, okay friends. And during this visit he unveiled a Sagar initiative. What is a Sagar? Sagar stands for security and growth for all in the region. Security and growth for all region, for all in the region, okay friends. So what is Sagar? What is the purpose of the Sagar here? So Sagar seeks to differentiate India's leadership from modus operandi, that means the working pattern of other regional activities, from the other regional activities, major powers, and to reassure littoral states. Littoral states का मतलब होता है जो भी countries को water body से connected हो, that means a country which has a coastal area is called as littoral states, okay. As India's maritime influence grows, ठीक है, India's Sagar vision is intended to consultative, democratic and equitable. So इंडिया का ये जो सागर इनिशिएटिव है ये किसको डिनोट कर रहा है? कंसल्टेटिव, डेमोक्रेटिक एंड इक्विटेबल, ठीक है। तो ये चीज़ है इंडिया के द्वारा, थ्रू इंडियन साइड. So the IOC granted observer status to India on March 6th of 2020. Okay, of 2020. Okay friends. So इंडिया को observer status मिला है, and IOC was founded in 1982. IOC is an intergovernmental organization comprising of 5 small island nations that is all in West Indian Ocean. What are the 5 countries? Here we will see about the countries. So please mark this in your atlas. That is Comoros, Madagascar, Mauritius, Reunion Island and the Seychelles. Now we will see one by one in our atlas map pointing. So we will see here first of all. Okay friends, Comoros you can see here. This is your Comoros. Take Comoros, Seychelles, Mauritius, Mauritius, Reunion, Seychelles, Madagascar, and this one is your Madagascar. Okay, so ये पांच island nations है which are the island nation western Indian Oceans. ठीक है, अब यूपीएससी में क्वेश्चंस ऐसे पूछेंगे कि अरेंज द फॉलोइंग आइलैंड्स. दे विल गिव आइलैंड्स लाइक Seychelles, next one is Reunion Island, and later is Mauritius and Comoros, then comes your Madagascar. So arrange this in north to south direction. North to साउथ डायरेक्शंस मीन्स इस डायरेक्शन में जाना है अपन को. ये मतलब फर्स्ट कौन सी आइलैंड आएगा? दैट इज सीशेल्स, देन कम्स आर कोमोरोस, देन कम्स आर मडागास्कर, देन कम्स आर मॉरिशस, देन कम्स रीयूनियन आइलैंड. So our answer should be in this way. Okay, so you should remember this, you should prepare in these way. Okay, so अगर नहीं सिर्फ आप आइलैंड कहाँ पर है वो अगर पढ़ लिए तो फिर गड़बड़ हो सकती है कुछ भी. ठीक, so it will be very disaster for your prelims, so you should not take any kind of risk. Okay, yeah, तो ठीक है फ्रेंड्स. so इस तरीके से पढ़ने हैं आपको कि where are the locations of the Seychelles, Comoros, Madagascar, Mauritius, Reunion Island. ठीक है, और इसके साथ साथ में ये भी देख लीजिए कि where is your Maldives, श्रीलंका. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट कोकोस आइलैंड, क्रिसमस आइलैंड. ठीक है, एंड आई हैव कलेक्टेड सम अदर मैप्स टू फॉर यू, सो विल लुक एट इट. ये थोड़े हैं जो कि इम्पोर्टेंट है एग्ज़ाम पर्सपेक्टिव से. दैट इज़ योर डिगो गार्सिया. दिस इज़ योर डिगो गार्सिया, दिस इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ एजम्पशन आइलैंड, नेक्स्ट इज़ एगलिगा आइलैंड. ठीक है, सो यू कैन रिमेंबर दिस ऑल पॉइंट्स, सो विच इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर योर यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स. नेक्स्ट वी विल सी अबाउट द IOC. We'll talk about IOC now. IOC has its regional agenda. Okay, IOC has its regional agenda. Okay, next, in 2012 the IOC was one of the 4 regional organizations to launch the MAS program. अब ये MAS प्रोग्राम क्या होता है? MASE MAS प्रोग्राम मैरीटाइम सिक्योरिटी प्रोग्राम है. ठीक है, it is called as maritime security program. Now the European, who is funding the MAS program, that is the European Union funding program to promote maritime security in the east of Africa and the South Indian Ocean, Southern Indian Ocean. ठीक है, under the MAS program the IOC has established a mechanism for surveillance and कंट्रोल ऑफ द वेस्ट इंडियन ओशन विथ 2 रीजनल सेंटर्स. यहाँ पे कितने रीजनल सेंटर्स है? यहाँ पे 2 रीजनल सेंटर्स है. ठीक है, तो ये फर्स्ट वन हो गया अपना RMIFC. सो व्हाट डज इट स्टैंड्स फॉर? दैट इज़ द रीजनल मैरीटाइम इंफॉर्मेशन फ्यूजन सेंटर. क्या है? रीजनल मैरीटाइम इंफॉर्मेशन फ्यूजन सेंटर बेस्ड इन मडागास्कर. ये कहाँ पर बेस्ड है? मडागास्कर में बेस्ड है. ठीक है. जस्ट नाउ वी सॉ दैट वेयर इज Madagascar. दिस इज योर Madagascar. ओके, दिस इज योर Madagascar. नेक्स्ट it is in what is the purpose of the RMIFC, that is Regional Maritime Information Fusion Center? It is designed to deepen maritime domain awareness by monitoring maritime activities and promoting information sharing and exchange. मतलब यहाँ पे पहले तो एक्टिविटीज़ की सारी इंफॉर्मेशन को कलेक्ट कर लेगा और वो एक दूसरों के साथ शेयर करेंगे. दिस इज़ द principal motive behind the Regional Maritime Information Fusion Center. The second regional center is Regional Coordination Operations Centers, that is RCOC, Regional Coordination Operations Centers. It is based in Seychelles. ठीक है friends, it is based in Seychelles, which eventually facilitate joint or jointly coordinated interventions at sea based on information gathered through the RMIFC. ठीक है, ये जॉइंटली कोऑर्डिनेट करेगा इंटरवेंशन के लिए विच द इंफॉर्मेशन इज़ कलेक्टेड बाय द रीजनल मैरीटाइम इंफॉर्मेशन फ्यूजन सेंटर्स. ठीक, नेक्स्ट विल सी फर्दर. तो अब यहाँ पर क्या बोल रहे हैं, IOC हेल्ड मिनिस्टीरियल मीटिंग्स इन 2018-19. यहाँ पे ये 2018-19 में एक मिनिस्टीरियल मीटिंग्स कंडक्ट करे गए दोनों साल में on the maritime security basis. It was in the Western Indian Ocean. ठीक है, drawing the states from the ये चीज़ important है. देखो कि in the IOC meeting the members of the IOC had only participated, but no, in this case it will be wrong. In this case the region plus members also participated in this. The region plus members who are the like India, EU, US, UK, Australia and Russia. इंडिया को तो अभी ऑब्जर्वर स्टेटस मिला है, बट फर्स्ट इट वाज नॉट. सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी इंडिया 2. ओके, इंडिया, यूरोपियन यूनियन, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका, यूनाइटेड किंगडम, ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड देन कम्स रशिया. सो यू शुड रिमेंबर दिस फैक्ट. नेक्स्ट कम्स in 2019 it has been published a report called strengthening maritime security in the Western Indian Ocean. उसका रिपोर्ट क्या पब्लिश किया गया है, वो strengthening maritime security in the Western Indian Ocean. ये क्या करेगा, सेट आउट हाउ काउंटर पायरेसी, मतलब यहाँ पे जो काउंटर पायरेसी हो रही है ना, मतलब पायरेसी जो चीज़ हो रही है कि वेस्ट ऑफ अफ्रीका एंड इन द सदर्न इंडियन ओशन, टू काउंटर दैट इट हैज़ बीन came up with the report that is called as strengthening maritime security in the Western Indian Ocean. Okay, which is unprecedented regional and international coordination in the domain of the maritime securities, which India gave a green signal by accepting the observer status. ठीक है ना, कि मतलब observer status इंडिया एक्सेप्ट कर लिया, इसका मतलब कि इंडिया इसके साथ सहमत है कि we are with you to eradicate the problem from the grassroots level. So let us see what will happen in near future. So until then we'll be pause about this thing. So what's next? With its observer status, India will be called upon to extend its expertise to the region, put its satellite imagery to the services of the RMIFC and establish links with its own information fusion centers. ये मतलब जैसे कि रिसेंटली क्या है, हाँ, इंडिया को जो ऑब्जर्वर स्टेटस मिला है IOC में, इसका इंडिया कैसे बेनिफिट हो सकता है, इसको how India can benefit easily by IOC, that is India can associate with these islands and by emerging year by year it will implement its own satellites, that is Indian satellites into these targets, that is RMIFC. ठीक है, फिर बाद में इसको डायरेक्टली इंफॉर्मेशन फ्यूजन सेंटर के साथ लिंकअप करेगा. ठीक है, तो ये इसका मोटिव है, इंडिया का मोटिव है कि टू एक्सेप्ट द ऑब्जर्वर स्टेटस. ठीक है, सो दैट इज़ इट फॉर दिस वीडियो. आई होप यू एन्जॉयड दिस lecture. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe Acquire IAS. Thank you very much. Bye bye.